Hi children, good morning. Children, take out your course book, open page number 32. See here energy lesson. What is energy? Energy is ability to do work. All the objects in these pictures work because of one common entity. What is called? See here children, windmill, electricity, food. Food gives energy. Okay, electricity gives energy to fan. Next, windmill. Next, water. See here, children. Next, sun gives energy. Grass. Next, grass gives energy to grasshopper. Next, frog. Frogs eat grasshopper. Snakes eat frog. Next, eagle eats snakes. Dead bodies మీద decomposers, mushrooms. Okay, గ్రాస్‌హాపర్‌ని ఫ్రాగ్స్ తింటాయి, ఫ్రాగ్స్‌ని స్నేక్స్ తింటాయి, స్నేక్స్‌ని ఈగల్స్ తింటాయి. చనిపోయిన డెడ్ బాడీస్ మీద డీకంపోజర్స్ మష్రూమ్స్ పెరుగుతాయి. గ్రాస్‌హాపర్స్ గ్రాస్‌ని తింటాయి. గ్రాస్‌కి సన్ నుండి ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? Next, see here children, look at this picture. What does our body require to do any kind of work? Look at these two pictures. In the left side picture, the man is struggling to lift the weights, whereas the man in the right side picture has successfully lifted the weight. Find out the possible reasons. ఈ మ్యాన్ హెల్దీ మ్యాన్, దీన్ని లిఫ్ట్ చేసే ఎనర్జీ ఉంది. ఈ మ్యాన్కి దీన్ని లిఫ్ట్ చేసే ఎనర్జీ లేక స్ట్రగుల్ పడుతున్నాడు. ఓకే, మనకి ఫుడ్ ఎనర్జీని ఇస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్, see here, what are these collectively known as? How are they useful to us? What do they release while burning? See here, wood, coal, kerosene, LPG, gas. Okay, these all burning things. Next, what help us to lead a comfortable life? It is energy because it makes things to do work. Energy makes things to do work. It makes change possible. It moves cars along the road and boats through the water, bakes a cake in the oven, keeps ice frozen in the refrigerator, and lights homes. In fact, energy is what keeps the world going. Now, what is energy? It is the ability to do work or make a change. Okay, next, where is energy? Energy is everywhere. ఎక్కడైనా ఉంటుంది. It is all around us and a part of us. It is fundamental to the existence of everything and it make life possible. Our universe is made up of energy. Our universe is made up of energy. Trying to explain energy is learned about the different forms of energy. See here, all the daily activities like walking up from bed, going to school, playing games, doing homework, helping parents, etc. involve energy. And everything that happens in the universe, from the eruption of volcanoes to the sprouting of seeds, need energy. Okay, see here, these all pictures. See here, waking up from bed, going to school, playing games, doing homework. Okay, next, we get energy to do work by eating food. Does the same type of energy light our houses? Energy can be found in many things and takes many forms. We use different types of energy and hence our lives every day. Light energy, see here children, light energy, heat energy, mechanical energy, electrical energy, this is electrical energy. Next, sound energy, next chemical energy and nuclear energy are some of the energies we know. How are these things useful to us? See here children, these are all heat energy, light energy, electrical energy. Next, these are some sources of light. Light is one of the different form of energy. Light is the one of different forms of energy. Light is one of the different forms of energy. Next, see here children, why do people near the fire when it is cold? Another form of energy is involved in both these cases. Can you guess what is it? It is a heat, thermal energy. It is thermal. When people sit near the fire, the heat from the fire is transferred to their bodies, hence keeping them warm. When you rub your two palms, heat is generated between them. మీరు ఆ రెండు అరచేతుల్ని బాగా రుద్దుకున్నారనుకోండి, అక్కడ కూడా ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ see here, what do you get from the sun? See here, sun, light to earth. Next, sun gives heat to earth. We get heat and light from the sun. Earth, we get heat and light from the sun. Okay. See here, bell, drum, musical instrument. These things produce different form of energy. Can you name it? Sound is also a type of energy. Sound also a type of energy. Next, see here, an industrial stove, oven, mixie, fan, fridge, heater. Next, lamp, computer. These appliances need electricity or electrical energy. Next, see here children, food, chocolates. Next, petrol or diesel. Next, coal. These fuels contain a type of stored energy called chemical energy. These are all called chemical energy. Okay, food gives us energy. Next, see here, if you want to drive a nail into a wooden block, you have to raise the hammer and hit on the head of the nail. The three positions of hammer are shown in this picture. Which is the best option to complete the task quickly? This is a best option. Okay, B is a best option. Okay, the hammer is raised higher to hit the nail at option B, so it possesses more energy. Compared to other positions. Two positions compared to other position, this possesses more energy. This type of energy is called potential energy. PE. What is called potential energy? More energy. Process మోర్ ఎనర్జీ అంటే మన ఈ మేఘను లోపల కొట్టడానికి ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీని తీసుకుంటాం. దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీని పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ అంటాం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, లెట్ us observe the some more examples. See here, which position of the stretched steering of bow shoot the arrow to longer distance? This is ఓకే, ఎందుకని దీనికి బాగా ఎక్కువ పెట్టారు, బాణానికి ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీ తీసుకున్నారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ. నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్, నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేట్స్. ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ case, a stone is placed on the ceramic plate. In the second case, the same stone is dropped from height into the same ceramic plate. ఏం జరుగుతుంది? ఈ ప్లేట్ పగిలిపోతుంది. ఇదేం చక్కగా పెట్టాడు, ఇక్కడేం ప్లేట్ పగిలిపోద్ది. ఎందుకని? ఎక్కువ ఎనర్జీని యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీని యూజ్ చేసి ప్లేట్ పగిలిపోద్ది. నెక్స్ట్, వాటర్ ట్యాంక్. వాటర్ for domestic use is usually stored in overhead tank. Why is it not stored in a ground level tank? The higher an object is raised or the more it is structured, the generate it is its potential energy. Potential energy PE. This is type of energy that is ready to the released. Ready to the release. This is a potential energy. Next, what is wind? What happens to this sailboat if there is no wind? Anything. See here, can still water make a water wheel move? Anything which is in motion, whether vertical or horizontal process. This is called kinetic energy. What is called kinetic energy? KE. Okay, it's the energy of motion. The faster the object move, the more kinetic energy the object has. Next, see here children, a planet rotating around the sun, a moving vehicle, water flowing in the river, water falling down in waterfall, the bullet released from a gun, strong wind as a stone rolling down a hill are some of the examples kinetic energy. Next one, from the picture given below, try to identify the instance where the object has only PE potential energy and KE kinetic energy, both potential energy and kinetic energy, and neither of them. If potential energy of a moving object decrease, its kinetic energy increase and vice versa, but the sum total of potential energy and kinetic energy of an object remains constant. See here children, a ball at the top of a hill has potential energy but no kinetic energy. Here only potential energy but no kinetic energy. Next here, a ball rolling down a hill has both kinetic and potential energy. Next see here children, a ball which has reached the bottom of the hill but is still rolling has kinetic energy but no potential energy. Here only potential and kinetic energy. Here only potential energy. Here only kinetic energy but not potential energy. Next see here children, a ball at the bottom of the hill which is not rolling has neither potential nor kinetic energy. Neither potential energy nor kinetic energy. Okay, any object that is moving can cause another object is move. Every moving object produce mechanical energy. What is called mechanical energy. Next, whether it is a hammer. See here children, this is a potential energy or a kinetic energy. See here children, whether it is a hammer driving a nail. Next, see here, whether it is a hammer driving a nail, a leaf falling from a tree, or a rocket flying into space, mechanical energy pulls, push, twist, turns and throws things. The energy associated with the position, potential energy, the motion, kinetic energy of an object is the mechanical energy. See here children, this is a potential energy, no kinetic energy. Let's see here, potential energy decreased, kinetic energy increased. Here kinetic energy increased, potential energy decreased. Next see here children, mechanical energy. Hammer drives the nail into the wood. This is the chemical energy. When potential energy decreased and kinetic energy increased, form of mechanical energy. Okay, potential energy తగ్గిపోయి kinetic energy పెరిగినప్పుడు ఏం ఏర్పడుతుంది, మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఏ ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఇక్కడ కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, పొటెన్షియల్ ఎనర్జీ తగ్గి కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ పెరిగింది. ఇలా తగ్గి కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ పెరిగినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది, మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ పిక్చర్. Identify the different forms of energy shown in this picture. Different forms of energy. Where did they come from? How can we explain these changes? See here children, what is this? This is a stored chemical energy. Dry cell. ఈ సెల్లో కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీ అనేది స్టోర్ అయ్యింది. ఈ కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీని ఎక్కడ కనెక్ట్ చేశారు, స్విచ్ కనెక్ట్ చేసి లైట్కి కనెక్ట్ చేశారు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఇది ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ వైర్ కనెక్ట్ ద bulb, electrical bulb, light energy. This is given light energy. Okay, look at this simple electrical circuit. An electrical bulb is connected to a dry cell. ఈ electrical bulb ఈ dry cell కి కనెక్ట్ అయ్యింది, ఈ బ్యాటరీకి, by means of wires and switch. When we switch on the bulb glows and gives us light. మనకి స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేయగానే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, లైట్ వస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ స్టోర్డ్ కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఈ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వైర్స్లో ఫామ్ అయ్యి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీగా చేంజ్ అయ్యి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ మనకి ఏం ఎనర్జీని ఇస్తుంది, లైట్ ఎనర్జీని ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఓకే, ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ గివ్స్ లైట్ ఎనర్జీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ సీ హియర్, అబ్జర్వ్ హౌ energy is transformed each these pictures. Solar energy gives chemical energy. This is a food. Next electrical energy, heat energy. వేడిగా ఉంటేనే కదా ఐరన్ బాక్స్ పనిచేసేది. నెక్స్ట్ మస్కులర్ ఎనర్జీ, మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ. నెక్స్ట్ డైనమో, లైట్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ. ఈ డైనమో ఎలా వర్క్ చేస్తుంది, లైట్ ఎనర్జీ గివ్స్ లైట్ ఎనర్జీ అండ్ మెకానికల్ ఎనర్జీ. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ డూ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఫ్రమ్ అబోవ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్? ఎనర్జీ కెన్ బి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టు అనదర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఎనర్జీ అనేది ఒకదాని నుండి ఇంకో దానికి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ వన్ ఏంటి, ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ జనరేటెడ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్. ఎనర్జీ డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్లో జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఫోటోసింథసిస్లో సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ కెమికల్ ఎనర్జీగా చేంజ్ అయ్యింది. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఐరన్ బాక్స్లో ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ హీట్ ఎనర్జీగా చేంజ్ అయ్యింది. ఓకే, ఎనర్జీ కెన్ బి స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్. Energy can be stored in different forms. Next, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transformed from one form to another form. This is known as law of conservation of energy. What is called law of conservation of energy? Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another forms. అంటే ఒక ఎనర్జీ ఒక చోట నుండి ఇంకొక చోటికి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ అయ్యి ఒకటి నుండి వేరే ఎనర్జీలుగా ఫామ్ అవడాన్ని మనం ఏమంటాము, దిస్ ఈజ్ నౌన్ యాజ్ లా ఆఫ్ కన్జర్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. దీస్ ఆర్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి, కొన్ని ఎనర్జీస్ యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్, ఎనర్జీ యొక్క ధర్మాలు అనమాట. ఒక దాని నుంచి ఇంకో దాంట్లోకి జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఫార్మ్స్లో జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఎనర్జీ స్టోర్డ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ చిల్డ్రన్, వేర్ డూ వీ గెట్ ఎనర్జీ ఫ్రమ్? వాట్ ఆర్ ద రిసోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ? ఎనర్జీ ఈజ్ obtained ఫ్రమ్ సన్, విండ్, వాటర్, ఆయిల్, గ్యాస్, కోల్, ఫైర్వుడ్ ఎక్సెట్రా. ఎక్కడెక్కడ నుంచి, సన్ నుండి, విండ్ నుండి, వాటర్ నుండి, ఆయిల్ నుండి, గ్యాస్ నుండి, కోల్ నుండి, ఫైర్వుడ్ నుండి వస్తుంది. సమ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ రిసోర్స్ ఆర్ రిన్యూవబుల్ అండ్ సమ్ ఆర్ నాన్ రిన్యూవబుల్. రిన్యూవబుల్ రిసోర్స్ కెనాట్ బి రీప్లేస్డ్ at the same pace is that they are being consumed. They were formed inside the earth over millions of years ago by natural process. They are available in a finite quantity. Once excited, they are no longer available to us. These are also called fossil fuels. Coal, gas, next these are petrol are some examples of the fossil fuels. Next, see here children, what are these? The energy obtained by burning these fuel is used to generate electricity in transportation, and in several other industrial and domestic applications. Burning of these fuels is the major cause for pollution, global warming and climate change. Next, how to get electricity from the sun. Solar energy is harvesting by solar cells. Solar energy harvesting by solar cells, which are placed on rectangular planes. These solar cells convert the incident సన్లైట్ ఇంటూ ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ. ఈ సోలార్ ఎనర్జీ నుండి మనకి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ద అవుట్పుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఏ సింగిల్ సోలార్ సెల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ లో, సో మల్టిపుల్ సెల్స్ ఆర్ కనెక్టెడ్ అండ్ అసెంబ్ల్డ్ ఇంటూ మాడ్యులస్ ఆర్ ప్యానల్స్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ. ద సైజ్ అండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్డ్స్ vary. These molds can be mounted on the rooftop or on the ground. This is a solar energy gives electrical energy. Next, how can electricity be generated from air? Moving air has huge amount of kinetic energy. This can be transformed into electrical energy using wind turbines. See here children, these are wind turbines. See here, wind turbines, blades, షాఫ్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ జనరేషన్, మూవింగ్ ఎయిర్. ఈ మూవింగ్ ఎయిర్లో ఈ విండ్ టర్బైన్స్ తిరగడం వలన కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ నుంచి ఏం ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, మనకి ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ ఎనర్జీ. ద విండ్ టర్న్స్ ద బ్లేడ్స్ నెంబర్ 1 which spin a shaft నెంబర్ 2. నెక్స్ట్ ద షాఫ్ట్ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు జనరేటర్ నెంబర్ 3. నెక్స్ట్ connected to a generator number 3. See here children, this is a number 3 which produce electricity. Wind turbines are usually sited on the high hills and mountain ridges to take advantages of the prevailing winds. Windmills were initially used to pump water or grind flour. Okay, next see here children, see here reservoir, dam, generator, power line, turbine. Is it possible to generate electricity from water? What is it called? The electricity generated from water is known as a hydroelectricity. See here children, the electricity generated from water is known as a hydroelectricity. What is called hydroelectricity? The electricity generated from water is known as the hydroelectricity. To generate tidal power, dams are constructed across rivers to store huge amount of water. This water is then allowed to flow down at high speed to rotate the turbines, which are installed at a lower level. These turbines in turn rotate the generator to produce electricity. See here children, first one, stored water. This see here, this is a stored water, this is a potential energy. Flowing water kinetic energy. Next, rotating turbines mechanical energy. Okay, next rotating generator electricity. Rotating turbines mechanical energy. Next, this is a electrical energy, electricity. Rotating generators, electricity. Power line, this is a power line. Okay, first potential energy and kinetic energy. After rotating turbines, missions energy. See here, after generator, electricity. Rotating generation, electricity, power line. Okay, these turbines is turn rotate the generators to produce electricity. Next, see here children, energy pyramid. Renewable energy, energy efficiency, energy conservation. Okay, how to save energy? Here are some tips. prefer to walk or use bicycle to reach the nearby places. మన దగ్గరలో ఉన్న ప్లేసెస్కి బైసికల్ మీద కానీ నడుచుకుంటూ కానీ వెళ్తే మనం ఎనర్జీని సేవ్ చేయొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ యూజ్ పబ్లిక్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ టు ద మ్యాక్సిమం ఎక్స్టెంట్ పాసిబుల్. నెక్స్ట్ రీసైకిల్ అండ్ రీయూజ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ protection of environment, recycle and reuse products. Next use maximum sunlight burning daytime. Next turn off fans and lights when not needed. అవసరం లేనప్పుడు ఫ్యాన్లు కానీ ఈ లైట్లు కానీ వేసుకోకూడదు మనం. నెక్స్ట్ డోంట్ వేస్ట్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ వాటర్. యూజ్ ఎనర్జీ ఎఫిషియంట్ అప్లయన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ plant more trees around home which act as natural air condition. It is the responsibility of every person on this planet to conserve the energy resource for the benefit of present as well as future generation. Let's see here children. Do you know atomic energy? Any substance in the universe is made up of minute particles called atoms. We cannot see them even with the help of the powerful microscope. These atoms release huge amount of energy when they are broken or combined. This type of energy is called atomic energy or nuclear energy. It is used to generate electricity and is also used as a fuel for submarines. It has many applications in the field of agricultural, medicine, research and industry. On the other hand, when used as a weapons in war, it causes mass destruction. See here children, this is an atomic bomb. Okay? Nuclear energy. This type of energy is called atomic energy or nuclear energy. Okay children, this lesson explanation completed. Open workbook page number 10. Our body systems workbook exercises. See here, label the diagram. Write mouth, esophagus or food pipe, liver, large intestine and small intestine, stomach, this is a stomach, pancreas and small intestine, anus. If you have any doubt, check one's course book. Next, what is alimentary canal? Mention some of the accessories digestive organs. The alimentary canal is about 9 meters long and it comprises of esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines. It is like a tube in which food passes through the body from mouth to anus. The accessories digestive organs are teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, pancreas. Complete the flow chart. Cell, tissue, organ, organism, organ system, organism. Next, name the body systems and label them. See here, kidney, ureter, excretory system, urinary bladder, urethra. Next, skull, rib cage, spine, pelvis. Next, skeletal system. Next, see here, complete the flow chart regarding human excretory organs and system. Human excretory organs, main excretory system. See here children, lungs, carbon dioxide, sweat, large intestine. Okay children, open 12th page. Identify each body system and mention the main part organ in it. Note down its major function also. See here children, name, Name parts of organs: circulatory system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system, and excretory system. Next, circulatory system: blood vessels, heart, brain, spinal cord, neuron, windpipe, lungs, nose. Next, teeth, tongue, salivary gland, liver, pancreas, skull, spine, rib cage, pelvis, muscle. Next, see here: kidneys, urethra, urinary bladder, urethra. Urinary bladder, urethra. Next, functions. See here, children. Functions: it pumps oxygenated blood to all body parts and receives deoxygenated blood from them. Next, it controls and coordinates the activities of different organs in our body. It is a set of organs that allows all animals to breathe and exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. The digestive system inside our body helps in the digestion of food, and the digested food is supplied to all part of the body. Next, the skeletal system is made up of different bones inside our body. Next, they perform the most basic activities such as lifting, walking, and swimming, etc. Next, see here, they separate excess water and salt and other impurities from the blood. If you have any doubts, children, check one's course book. True or false? True, false, true, true, false, true, true. Matching: 7, 6, 4, 3, 1, 5, 2. Digestive tract: inhale, exhale, reproductive, capillaries, nephrons, neuron. Next, write brief about the organs shown here and the body system they are associated with. See here, children, this is a home task. Read the textbook, course book, read the course book, our body system course book, and briefly write these organs. Write briefly about these organs. Okay? 14th page homework. Answer the following questions. What are organ system? How do they help us? An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform one or more functions in our body. These organ systems help the body to operate in optimal conditions, thus resulting in its proper functioning. Second one, what is basic unit of life? How are the organism classified in this context? Cell as the basic unit of life. A group of similar cells form a tissues. A group of tissues form organs. A group of organs with related functions makes an organ system. The different organ system together make an organism. Define respiration. What parts organ does our respiratory system contain? The process of exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide is called respiration. Nose, windpipe, and lungs together make the human respiratory system. Next, what is a muscle? How do muscles make our movement possible? A muscle is a soft tissue comprising of a long elastic specialized muscle cell. Muscles are attached to the bones and are responsible for the movement of our limbs. Next, see here, what is reproduction and which body system is meant for this process? Only one type of organ system is different between males and females. It is the reproductive system which helps in producing babies. Next, what is skeletal system? How does it help our body? The skeletal system is made up of different bones inside our body. It gives a definite shape, strength, and support to our body. It protects the important internal organs such as brain, skull, spinal cord, spine, heart and lungs, rib cage. Okay children, if you have any doubts, check one's course book. Thank you. I will meet in the next class.